What's up, man? Y'all know who we here with? Who we here with? Who we here with?
Jalen. Sorry.
What we doing here? What we doing here?
We are vintage shopping. Why didn't y'all give me like a 3, 2, 1 or some shit?
Vintage shopping. We are here shopping for the store. You know, we're gonna look around some vintage, some shoes. Hopefully we'll get back to y'all with some new stuff and I'll get back to the shop.
Yo, we at DFW swap meet with SOLEPLIER.
Feel the leather on this. Come here. Get some detail shots. You know, it's got a stain on it, but it's alright.
It's hard. It's hard.
Yo, we at DFW swap meet with SOLEPLIER. Y'all check me out here. Been vintage. I'm from Dallas. Check me out Instagram.
My boy Fredo, he made some tees, you feel me? He got you for the low for 25. I'm buying.
Yep, all three of us, but today things are a little bit different.
A little bit different.
Yeah, I have my own booth today, so I won't be representing SOLEPLIER today. Well, we got Carson here, so.
Always. I mean, I got y'all.
And Jalen, boy, we got Jalen here too. What you talking about?
So, show us, what's y'all's booth?
So yeah, we got, you know, some of our you know, DFW swap meet merch.
You love Dallas? I love Dallas.
And then we got, you know, our regular stuff on the wall. We got our Jordan 1s, 1-3, and then most of the 4s, some dunks. You know, we got more sizes over here. More sizes on the other side. You know, this is our logo, brand new logo revealed yesterday, and everything else over there. And we have some more of our vintage as well. But other than that, Carson, show them around the swap meet.
Yours, you hit retail? Yo, what's y'all's opinion on the 2022s? I know they came back out, they look straight. I heard the size is kind of crazy though, but definitely a must cop for me. Alright guys, so we took a quick lap around. I saw a couple things I wanted. I really saw a lot of Batman shirts. I've been looking at some Looney Tunes, like ex-Dallas Stars, stuff like that. And then some other superhero stuff like Spider-Man, but other than that, that's probably it for me. Also some Carhartt, them big jackets, those are hard. For my man Jalen.
I'm shopping for personal stuff today. Maybe a couple things for the store, I'm not sure yet. But I'm specifically looking for a Scarface vintage tee. Otherwise, I'm just looking around. Hopefully I can have some fun with it. We'll just see how it goes.
What's up guys? You know I'm going out to the club tonight. I'm going to go to Theory. I'm thinking about buying this Spider-Man shirt, you know, rocking this bitch up in there. What y'all think? I'm gonna get some hoes? No. Hey bro, so I see these Kiss shirts right here. What's like the story behind it? How'd you get them?
So these were owned by Dimebag Darrell from Pantera. They toured with Kiss in '97, as you can see right here. They're 97, and when they made it into Mexico City, they saw all the bootleg shirts that were laid out, and they got out of the tour bus so they can buy some. So he passed recently, and I was able to get them from his estate. And you can see the article right here. This was their lot of everything they bought that day, and this is a magazine from 1997.
Let me ask you, bro, how much did it cost you to buy these shirts whenever you saw them at the estate?
I think I paid about 600 per. No, for yeah.
Oh yeah, per. That's a crazy ass.
Yeah. So I mean, I think a fair price right now. You know, they're both sided. I'm asking 250 for these two. I'm asking 300 on that one.
You're not gonna find these shirts anywhere, bro.
Never. You know,
especially like literally from the estate, like they had it themselves.
He bought it for himself, and it was in, you know, his storage. So yeah, bro, that's how I got them.
There you go. Do you want to shout yourself out?
Hey, I'm Hella Coolwear in Garland, Texas. Follow me on IG. Appreciate it.
The Batman shirt I was looking for, they sold it, bro. But I found something else. I need some Fast and Furious shirts. That's what we're looking for now.
The brands buy cash out. SOLEPLIER, you buy cash out right. Everything here, all gone.
Black Door.
Yep. Black Door X SOLEPLIER. Hebreb. What time y'all open over there?
Where?
At Arlington. What the fuck y'all doing here? Money!
That is crazy. This shit's hard. That's fucking crazy, bro. That's hard.
Hey bro, would you do 280 a pop on these? 3?
He would have sold like 20 shoes for 20 bucks left.
I'll do these. I'll do those 3. finally we have fucking cash. So last event, if y'all saw, we actually have fucking cash now. So we're a little bit we came prepared, as the young Bo says. No.
What the fuck are we gonna do? Walk around this whole?
Does Fredo have one?
No.
So how did he just fucking came hauling all those shoes?
I don't know. We're gonna walk around with boxes?
How much is on this?
180.
So we bought 3 grade school Red Thunders because we don't have any, right? We don't have any Red Thunders. 3 grade school Red Thunders and 1 men for $12.50. It's right at market, but I mean, in this situation, I don't think anyone's working with us. 13. Thank you. Hey, they got bags though. Gotta get my change back. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. 20, 40, 60. All right, thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
Hey, is this the harvest or not?
That's Rose Whisper. Rose Whisper?
Rose, like a rose and a whisper.
Do 180 on this one, bro? 180? 120, 40, 60, 80. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you. Thank you. Homie hooked it up. He had him at 380. He went down 20 bucks. So especially now, 20 bucks. 20 bucks. I feel like to resellers feels like 100 bucks, like giving a discount. Literally.
Yeah, I'll take every one for 280. I'll take the big sizes for 3, and then I'll take your waves all of
350
for 350. Besides the double.
What's your brother? So where are you at?
290. He's at 290. We're at 280.
290?
He's at 290. We're at 280.
He's at 290? Shoot. What size is that?
11 and a half, 10 and a half, 10, shitload of 10.
I just need a size run, bro, is the thing. But I see you have 7, 6 and a half. 6 and a half?
Yeah. Hey, happy birthday. 6 and a half fantasy.
You have 2 6 and a half.
I have a 6 and a 6 and a half.
Wow. So just one of these. Yeah, you just need one of these. I think. Huh?
Let me know what the mold is. I got like 3 homies.
He said 290.
So I typically take all of them.
I'd be at 2, bro. I could push 290 if you do everything else cool on that. If you're cool with the 350 and the 3 on that. And this is a size one, so you get more on this. I'd be stuck at 3. Yes, 10, 10 and a half, and 11. Where'd you say you drove from, bro? Explain the whole scenario as to why you haven't slept in 2 days.
Bro, so we had just came back from an event in San Antonio, and then I was bored, and I was up at 2 a.m. My friend told me about DFW. I was like, yeah, fuck it, I need to get someone to come with me. He came with me. He had just gotten off of work. Bro, he had just gotten off of work, and I was like, bro, let's go to fucking Dallas. And he was like, all right, bet. So then we just up and went. I haven't slept. I'm tired as hell. It's gone.
Round of applause.
Today?
I don't know.
Today's his birthday.
Who's?
Oh,
Oh shit, happy birthday, bro. Did you know it was his birthday?
Yes. And we got you at the 7-Eleven, bro.
I don't want that shit.
So we got almost the size run of zebras for $2.90 a pop. And then we have wave runners. 10, 10 and a half, 11 for $3.50. So homeboy came down from $3.80 to $3.50. So I think that's retail in these, right?
He pays tax for everyone else, and that's what he.
It's not even tax. Carson's the one that was like, that's good.
Alright, get ready to carry this out, man. Because I ain't helping.
You got a bag, bro? $39.50. Oh, what's up, bro? How you doing? Long time no see.
Hey, congrats on your store.
Appreciate that. You still stay in Arlington?
Huh?
You still stay in Arlington? 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 50. Thank you, bro.
You mind if I get a picture?
Appreciate that. Of course.
Yeah. Follow me at Borrowless Closet. We're from San Antonio. BORROLASCLOSET. Appreciate y'all.
Cashing out.
Hey, get Harry in the cut. Harry Woo. How you doing, Harry? For 220? Retail. Take 220? How much? 250. 250. Retail 246. 240. 245. So you do 320 on this one? You do 320, 280. That's cool. So that's 6. My math's wrong. 320 and 280. We got a zebra for 280 and then a red thunder for 320 off the homie.
Damn, where you get all that money from?
Damn, hey. Yo, fuck, bust down Cotty.
230, 250. There you go. 230, 250 coin flip.
No, man, you've been losing those lately.
I've been losing those.
The only way you come back from a loss is taking another chance to get a W. I already said it before.
I'm gonna give him good luck. A rabbit foot.
We didn't get any of these off him, right?
You got good luck. It's a rabbit foot for good luck.
What is that?
It's a rabbit foot.
Hell no.
It's for good luck.
You killed the rabbit yourself or what?
Not my dad.
I need some for tonight at the club. Give me them.
Huh?
For
The most random shit that you do.
Come on, do the coin flip.
I need some good love.
He's gonna get
tonight.
Red Thunders, grade school for 240. So we got military blacks 6 through 7, grade school for 300 each. A little bit higher than what I'm typically used to paying, but we need them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Time to get the fuck out. No cap. Guys, we just got back from the DFW swap meet. There's a lot of vintage, a lot of shoes. As y'all can see, we cashed out on a lot of pairs. What would you say?
10 G's.
10 G's. Probably got us around, I don't know, 20, 30 pairs.
Probably 30.
Yeah, maybe even more. Honestly, I don't really remember. There was a lot going on. A lot of vintage though. I want to shout out Jason to the holding up the swap meet for everyone. You know, getting us in. We didn't have to wait in line. Sorry for that car. You know, Bryce was out here in Dallas, Texas. But yeah, man, I hope y'all liked the video. We'll have a video up within a week or two after this one, so I'm gonna need y'all to stay tuned because we got some bangers coming for you. Peace out.